So now I will be going over the messages section. So first, click on the messages section, then click on the communication tab. This is where you will be able to see all the messages that you have sent. You can see this by the channel, the communication, the time and date they were created at, the traffic, the estimated cost, and the status. When a message has been sent successfully, it will show completed, and when it is still pending, it will show pending. Just like these two sample messages are still pending because they have been created but not sent yet. You can click here to search the messages if you want to see a specific message. When you click on the filters icon, you have options to filter the messages by the date range filter. You can use this if you want to see the messages for a specific period of time. You can also use the column filter to see which of these things you want to see your messages by. If you only want to see your messages by the time and date they were created at, then check that box and uncheck all the other boxes. You do not have to click on apply filters as the filters will automatically apply when you check and uncheck the boxes. Just click on cancel, and now the messages are filtered by the time and date they were created at. If you want to go back to the previous settings, then just simply click on reset filters. Now I will be showing you how to create a SMS or MMS message. So first click on create new, then click on SMS to create a SMS message. Type in the communication name, the title, the recipients. You can create a new recipient from this section by clicking on the plus sign, or you can click here to choose from your existing list of contacts, tags, or companies, which you would create from the audience section. Then select your sender ID, which you will be given your own. Next, you have to compose your message. So you can either use the GSM format, which is 160 characters, or the Unicode format, 70 characters. Once you type in your message, once you type in your characters, you will be able to see how many messages it is. And the more messages, the more the charge for each message. You can also click on the AI content tool if you want to use AI to help compose your message. You can use this icon over here if you want to customize your message by first name, last name, email, contact number, address, and zip code. For example, if you click on first name and write a message, then each of your message for each customer will be customized by their specific first name. You can also use this message scheduling options to schedule messages, both the SMS and MMS messages, by checking the box to send them immediately, or uncheck it to schedule it when you want to send it by a specific time zone, start date, start time, end time, and a specific number of days. You can also check or uncheck the track URL click box, whether you want to track the URL clicks or if you do not want to. This depends on you. Next, click on the MMS icon to create a MMS message. The communication name, title, recipient's sender ID is the same as the SMS messages. It's the same way that you have to enter these. The part that is a little different is the media section and the message composition. So first, upload a maximum file size of 1 MB image. This is the sample. Then enter your message. Over here, you only have a max character limit, 1600. No GSM or Unicode requirements. Then you can add an additional message with a max 1600 character limit. You can also use AI and customize your MMS message just like the SMS messages. I will be going through one of these so I can show you how you can assemble your MMS messages too. So sample, just click a sample recipient because we won't actually be sending the message. Sample, sender ID, type in your first message, type in your additional message, which is optional. Then click on continue. This is a section which will allow you to assemble the contents of this MMS message. You can only do this for the MMS messages. You can click on these dots over here to drag and change the way your message will appear. So you can put the picture on top, put the picture on the bottom, put the picture in the middle, any way how you like for your message to appear. Then you would have to click send to send your message. The next tab in the messages section is the templates tab. This is very helpful if you create a template for a specific message that you will be sending repeatedly or to many people, and you can simply just use this template. Click on use this template to send the already created message in the template or make some minute changes. This will enable you to organize your messages and be able to categorize them and send them more easily instead of having to create a message from scratch every time. You can also search your templates in this section. And the way you would create these templates is when you are creating a message, just simply before clicking to send it, just click on Save as Template. Save as Template. When you click on the name of the message, you will be able to see more details for that specific message, such as the communication information, the communication performance in a graphical format, the delivery details, and the inbound details. You'll be able to see the number of replies, the number of people who have opted out, and the number of URL clicks. To go back to all of your messages, simply click back on communication